welcome again to my channel, Math is Fun channel. This channel is an educational channel to help you understand about the beauty of mathematics, and this channel is also intended to those who are doing their online classes there outside. Hi, and also those who are answering their modules. This will help you a lot of things like to improve your performance in mathematics. You want that? Yes, that is so exciting. And also to understand and change your perspective that math is not a difficult subject, but it's easy, fun, and interesting. So I hope you'll be able to love this video and my channel, yes, so that you will also change that math is really fun. It's not boring, it's not difficult, it's fun. Okay, so please do not forget to share this video to your friends, and also please do not forget to subscribe after watching this video. So are you ready? I hope you're all ready, and let's get it started. Let's get it on. So now I'll share you the topic. Our topic for this video discussion. So now we are all set, yeah, on set. We're all ready to listen and have new things in this video discussion. So our topic for this video discussion rather, it's all about absolute value inequalities. So solving an absolute value inequalities will be like this. The absolute value of x less than 6, we can represent it using a number line. Then that gives you the idea that the absolute value of less than 6 is between, or the values that are between -6 and 6. As you can see, where 6 and -6 are not included. Again, the solution set for the absolute value of x less than 6 is the set of values between -6 and 6. Again, -6 and 6 are not included. And another thing also that I want you to um, have in this video discussion, the x or the absolute value of x greater than or greater than or equal to 6. We can represent this one using the greater than or equal to. That gives you what? Okay, values or the solution set. Okay, the solution set of -6, where 6 is included, going to the negative infinity, this one, and also this one going, sorry, this one going to the left, going to the negative infinity. So where -6 is included, and also your 6, okay, going to the right. So going to positive infinity. So the values of your, or the solution set of the absolute value of x greater than or equal to 6 are -6 going to negative infinity, and 6 going to positive infinity. So I want you to take down note of that. So next, graphing absolute value. When an absolute value is greater than the variable, you have a disjunction to graph. Like in the given absolute value of x greater than 4, you have a disjunction. In short, there is no intersection. They will never meet. The solution sets of the inequalities rather will not meet. So that's the meaning of disjunction. So when we say when an absolute value is less than the variable, you have a conjunction to graph. Meaning to say, there are what? There are values that will meet. Okay, that's what we call conjunction. Example, x or the absolute value of x less than 4. Later, I will explain that one again to show how disjunction and conjunction of graph goes. So let's have an example. Solve the absolute value of x minus 4 less than 3. So what will we do? Consider the x minus 4 as positive since it's in the absolute value. Then we have it, yeah, Absolute value of x minus 4 less than 3, that gives you x minus 4 less than 3, or positive 3, that gives you x less than 7 by adding 4 plus 3. On the other side, x minus 4 is negative. Considering this one in the absolute value of x minus 4 less than 3, then you have it x minus 4 greater than negative 3, then transpose 4 to the right side of the equation. That gives you, okay, very good, reverse inequality symbol. So x is greater than 1. Why did we reverse the inequality? Okay, that's the rule for the solving an absolute value inequality. So please do not forget, okay, when we do the negative or considering x minus 4 as negative, you have to change the, okay, the inequality symbol as you can see there. So you have it, x is greater than 1. So now, the solution is all real numbers as you can see there. Greater than 1 and less than 7. So you can write it in a compound inequality as 1 less than x less than 7. So another thing, 2x, the absolute value of 2x plus 1 minus 3 greater than or equal to 6, and graph the solution. That gives you what? 2x plus 1, considering 2x plus 1 as positive, then the absolute value of 2x plus 1 minus 3 greater than or equal to 6 becomes, of course, 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 9. Why 9? Because we add 6 plus 3 in here. As you can see, the negative 3, transpose it to the right side of the inequality. That gives you plus 3. So plus 6, that gives you 9. That's why it's 9 on the right side of the inequality. Another thing also, 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to uh, 9, that gives you 2x greater than or equal to 8. Why? Again, we solve it using the concept of linear equation. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Then divide both sides by 2. That gives you x is greater than or equal to 4. That's for the considering the 2x plus 1 as positive. What about considering the 2x plus 1, which is negative? So the absolute value of 2x plus 1 minus 3 greater than or equal to 6. That gives you 2x plus 1. The absolute value of 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 9. Then 2x plus 1 less than or equal to negative 9. Why less than or equal to negative 9? Again, when we consider 2x plus 1, or the what is inside in the absolute sign, negative, when we consider it negative in inequality, in inequality, that or the symbol will change into, yes, reverse inequality symbol. So since it's negative, we consider 2x plus 1 as negative. So the greater than or equal to, it reversed the inequality symbol into less than or equal to negative 9. So solve it, divide both sides by 2. That gives you x is less than or equal to negative 5. Do not forget that one, okay? So as we have it there, the solution is all real numbers greater than or equal to 4, or less than or equal to negative 5. So again, the solution set of the given inequality that we have there that we just solved are greater than or equal to 4, or less than or equal to negative 5. I want you to remember that one. This can be written as the compound inequality. X is less than or equal to negative 5, or x is greater than or equal to 4. So, yes, as you can see, the x, you can graph it there again. I'll repeat, x is less than or equal to negative 5. You can graph it in that, going to the left side or going to the negative infinity. And also the x is greater than 4 or equal to 4. That gives you 4 going to positive infinity. So easy, right? Again, since there is no, this is what we call conjunction. What I mean, this junction, they don't meet. Okay, this is what I said a while ago, the disjunction, meaning to say the solution set of the equation or compound inequalities that we have with absolute value, again, that becomes compound, the inequality, when there is an absolute value. So that gives you compound inequality. So we use the word or. There is no intersection, or as you can see in a separate ways, the direction of their solution set. -5 going to the negative infinity and 4 going to positive infinity. So in short, that's why we use the word or, the preposition or. So do not forget that one. We use it because there is no intersection, or the solution sets that we have of 4 and -5 do not meet. Okay? If they meet, then we call it conjunction. So meaning to say, instead of using or, then we will use and. Okay? So again, since the direction of their solution set did not meet, it's in opposite direction, so we use or. Okay, it's fine with me if you give me an answer x is less than or equal to -5, or x is greater than or equal to 4. That's fine. So strange results. We have it there. Absolute value of 2 times the quantity of 3x minus 8 plus 7 greater than -5. So true for all real numbers, since absolute value is always positive, correct? And therefore greater than any negative. So what about this one? Okay, 2 times the quantity of 3x minus the absolute value of 2 times the quantity of 3x minus the quantity of 8 plus 4, close quantity, minus 12, quantity cube, less than or equal to -2. So this is so strange that there is no solution. Why? Because the positive numbers are never less than negative numbers. That's the, I want to highlight this one. For the first one, true that for all real numbers, since absolute value is always positive and therefore greater than any negative. And on the other side below, no solution or null set, positive numbers are never less than negative numbers. So please do not forget this. So that's it. So do not forget the symbol that we can, or, for the or and. Okay, so that's the absolute value inequalities. Thank you for listening, everyone. I hope that you are going to share this one to your friends out there, especially those who are struggling. Thank you so much for listening. Do not forget to click and subscribe. Okay? Watch and subscribe rather. And please share this one to your friends out there. Thank you so much for listening. Always remember, the essence of mathematics is to make complicated things simple. So math is fun, math is easy. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day.